Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's just open up the Google Docs using either the desktop shortcut or by using your web browser. Now just go ahead and open up any document, and now you can start working on your document. Now as you make your changes and start typing, you can see at the top right menu that it says that it is saving. So this means that no matter whatever change you're making at any point of time inside Google Docs, it will be saved real time into your Google Drive. In case you want to save this manually, you can also click on File and either click on Make a Copy, and this will update your newest version. You can also click on the Download option, and from here you will be able to download this particular document in the various format that you can select from. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to save on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.